In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the discount code, also known as a referral code for limited users on Fundednext effortlessly. If you're looking to save a little money or earn some bonuses while inviting your friends to join in on the action, this guide has got you covered. We'll walk through the process in detail, ensuring that you're equipped to take advantage of the referral system and enjoy those perks. This should only take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the website fundednext.com. You'll need to access your account, so go ahead and log in if you already have one. If you don't, no worries, simply create a new account. Fundednext will guide you through the process, and once you're set up, you'll be ready to move on to the next step. Everyone loves a smooth sailing experience. Now, once you're in your account dashboard, take a moment to explore. You might see lots of useful features, but for today, focus specifically on finding the Refer and Earn section. Depending on the layout, you might need to scroll down, but it's there, and that's where the magic happens. A little further in the Refer and Earn area, search for the referral code section. It's usually easy to spot. If you have a unique code or link already generated, this is where you'll find it waiting for you. Copy that code or link. This is your ticket to sharing the benefits with friends and family. Next, it's sharing time. Use your code creatively and thoughtfully. You can share it directly with friends or family through messages, or perhaps you might consider posting it on your social media platforms. The more you share, the more possibilities you have to engage others. Whenever someone uses your code during their checkout process, it unlocks rewards for both you and them. Typically, these discounts range from around 5 to 15%. The structure can vary, sometimes offering limited time deals or incentives based on how many users you refer. Make sure they know the goodness they're getting into and that it benefits both of you. By now, you should be all set to maximize your benefits with Fundednext referral program. Not only does this save you and your friends some money, but it also enhances the community as more people discover and join. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Thank you for following along today. If you found this guide helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up or sharing it with others. Happy saving and enjoy your journey with Fundednext.